Hello everyone, my name is Tingjou. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and I'm based in New Delhi. Today I want to talk about an essential thing we should know about therapy. We have always gotten it wrong that therapy is only for people who are suffering from severe mental disorders. But in reality, that's not the truth. Anyone with any problems, or not necessarily a problem, anyone who wants to improve their mental well-being could come to a therapy and bring in anything they want to discuss about. Could be difficulties as common as adjusting to new life situations such as marriage or interpersonal relationships, or difficulties in interpersonal relationships and breakups. Anything could be brought into a therapy and could be discussed about. And in case you wonder who this person is and where I'm from Manipur, one of the beautiful northeastern states of India. And fun fact, I am a singer too. I love to sing, I play the guitar, I perform, and I write songs too. For any queries regarding consultation, I'm available online and offline. And for any other curiosity or anything you want to ask me regarding mental health, please write to me on my email. It's given below. Thank you.